Gigi retired, and today was her last day at work. I couldn't imagine working for somebody anymore. I own a few businesses, and we'll keep it going with that. Let me fix that. She does not want me to stop working. Can you figure that out? Hit that bell. Oh, we gotta make it ring. Yeah. Anyway. So now, hopefully, she takes a little break, and then she starts getting some of this hoarding stuff out of here. And we get it all cleaned up and everything else. I don't know. This is going to be a weird thing because she ain't going to get up in the morning. She's probably going to stay up a little later than normal. And I still have to keep to my schedule, and I'm already 30 minutes late to work every day. Yeah, I own the business, but I need to get there on time, you know, to impress other people, and I haven't been impressing them. Anyway, hopefully she gets a lot of stuff done around here. I don't know. Is Papa ever gonna retire? I gotta, in 3 years, I'm only 57, y'all. In 3 years, I'm gonna slow down a little bit, but I'm not gonna stop because I own the business. It'd be different, you know, back when I was 17, I started working for, actually an oil and gas company. I'll just go ahead and tell you, Arco Oil and Gas. That's right, in Plano, Texas. And I thought I was going to retire with them, and it didn't happen. But now I'm on my own. I work my stocks, I work my crypto, and all my retirement that I'll live off and have and everything else is on me, and that's tough, you know. I got different accounts. I mean, we got 7 freaking bank accounts. She has them all. I don't know. She does that part of it, but we got a lot of freaking things out there all over the place. We've never put them all together to know what we really have, but do I really want to ever retire? I don't know. I think I'm always going to have my hand in something. Because I don't want to just stop it. Now, in one way, it would be kind of fun, but the other side, nah, probably not. Y'all have a fantastic New Year's Eve coming up. That'd be tomorrow. Yeah. I wasn't going to work, but my son called me and he needs something, and it's at my work, one of them. And we got to go to one place, get the key, go to the other place, open it up, get what he needs. He's gone. He's moving to Tulsa. His whole company's moving to Tulsa, and he's got to go up there. Yeah. It's about 3 hours from here or something like that. Anyway, alright. Oh, Maddie got a metal detector for Christmas. I got one a couple years ago. That's a long story. I won't go into that. I got one a couple years ago. I've never used it but one time. And now Maddie has one. So now she and I can go metal detecting. And I have a place. It used to be a mobile home park, and my buddy's grandfather owned it. Doesn't own it anymore. But I don't know if we'll get in trouble or not, but we're going to go out to that property And Maddie and I are going to use our 2 metal detectors, and we're going to check stuff out, because you think about it. If people used to live there in mobile homes, there's probably rings, coins, watches, who knows whatever else buried down in there over all these years. It was like 30, 40 years that it was a mobile home park. So we're going to do that. If we start finding stuff, we'll start showing you, probably on my other channel, Papa Texas Unfiltered. But it'll be kind of fun, you know, something interesting, everything else. All right, that's what I have for you. We're gonna cut this. Oh, wait a minute. What channel am I putting this video on? I got 7 channels. Oh, 8, because I got a new podcast channel. But yeah, it is what it is. It's Papa. I don't know what channel I'm putting this. It's Papa. It's Papa. Papa Texas. Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Booger, I'm gonna clean this air fryer up this weekend. Yeah. I'll make a video for y'all.